Hey everyone! Today, in this episode, I will be showing you how to create a clear target audience for your business. We will be diving into a topic that is often overlooked but incredibly crucial: defining your clear target audience. So, let's get started. Knowing who your audience is like building the base of a strong marketing plan. It is like figuring out the first piece of a puzzle. So, let's take a closer look at this important part of marketing. First, let us talk about demographics. Who are the people you want to reach? Are they young like Gen Z, in the middle like millennials, or older like baby boomers? Are they students, recent graduates, or retirees? Knowing their age helps a lot. Don't forget about gender. Your product might be more interesting to one gender, and that is okay. It helps you focus your marketing efforts. It is good to be inclusive, but knowing your main audience is really important. Now, let us think about what your ideal customers like to do in their free time. What are their hobbies and what do they enjoy? What do they care about? For example, if you sell feminine clothes, it is a good idea to aim at people who like feminine fashion and care about the environment. Understanding these things help you make your marketing more effective. Let me share an important tip with you. Start small. Begin with something specific and grow from there. Even big companies like Amazon and Apple didn't have a ton of products at first. They took one step at a time to get where they are. Once you have found your special area, you can think about offering more things. Maybe you want to add new products or reach different groups of people. But remember, just like the experts, take it one step at a time. Your special area is like a good starting point for your business. It is like planting a seed that grows into a strong plant. When it's sturdy, you can think about growing it even more. This way, your business will stay strong and grow in a smart way. Remember, it is all about taking your time and growing wisely. By starting small and getting really good at what you do, you are building a strong foundation. It is like making sure the bottom of a tower is super strong before adding more floors. So, keep going, stay focused, and know that even the biggest companies started small and specific before becoming really big. Finally, don't forget this important piece of advice. Take care of your current customers. Just as you look for new ones, building a loyal group of supporters can be just as crucial as finding new people. Your current customers are like your cheerleaders and they can help your business grow naturally. In summary, establishing a clear and well-defined target audience serves as a compass for your marketing journey. It is like plotting the course for a successful adventure in the world of marketing. So, pause for a moment. Invest time in truly understanding your audience. Stay committed to your chosen niche and express your gratitude to your community. These straightforward yet essential steps will empower you to navigate your marketing voyage with unwavering confidence, paving the way for a successful and rewarding journey ahead. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce to you how to build a thriving business community with authenticity and social media marketing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.